Kasi matapang ka lang naman, we have the position pero kung suntukan tayo, alam ko makaya, bita. Ganun lang.
A few moments later.
Pero tama-tama dahil marami ang nasalanta ngayon ng bagyo at baha. Maybe we can use this moment or this opportunity to raise funds in a charity boxing match.
A few moments later.
Huwag kang mag-alala, Torre, kasi matagal ko na talaga gusto makabugbog ng unggoy. Kung gusto mo lang talaga ng suntukan, bakit kailangan mo pa ng charity? Why do you need kailangan mo pang...
A few moments later. Run.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person.
A few moments later.
Hindi naman kita hinamon. Sinabi ko talaga, pag nagsuntukan tayo, mabobogbog kita. Hindi kita hinamon, tanga. You're just as stupid as the journalist that asked you.
Gago!